Listen to part of a lecture in an English literature class.
Okay, I trust everyone made some time to complete the assigned readings, as you were asked to read a few poems and essays by T.S. Eliot. What are your thoughts and impressions about his works?
Well, honestly, perplexing, I guess. I mean, one of his early poems seems to be very obscure and enigmatic. I was not sure whether I could understand what he was trying to say in his poem. The poem was very descriptive and very visual in its detail, stirring somewhat complex feelings of a town. And it seemed like Elliot was obsessed with the image of eyes and imagistic objects, which were hinting at something.
Yes, that reaction is not uncommon for many people who have read his work. His poem is definitely complicated in its feeling. The word rhapsody means a part of an epic poem, suited for recitation at one time. It is also an extravagantly enthusiastic, or ecstatic expression of feeling. As the author uses the word rhapsody in the title of his poem, the poem is not only visual, but also musical, in its organization. Some people, thus, describe his poem as an authentic example of the music of images. Is anyone here taking music theory or music composition class? Well, the word rhapsody in music is a piece of music with no formal structure or length, that is episodic, yet integrated, comprised of a number of different musical ideas.
Question 4. Listen again to part of the lecture. Then answer the question. Why does the student say this?
Well, honestly, perplexing, I guess.
Question 5. Listen again to part of the lecture. Then answer the question. Why does the professor say this?
Is anyone here taking music theory or music composition class?